Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable pan in a hot point refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable pan. There are two identical vegetable pans used in this refrigerator. They are located at the bottom of the fresh food section. They are used for storing fruits and vegetables and the like. The main reason to replace the vegetable pan is if it's broken and won't slide in and out or keep the contents in. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. So I'm now going to remove the vegetable pan. As you see, there's two of them identical. As I mentioned it earlier, we're going to replace the left side. Pull it straight out, and it comes off. This is the old vegetable pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the new vegetable pan in. I'm going to put it onto the rails and slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.